Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt from V-Twin Visionary, and our test bike, the VTV Lowrider, just hit 10,000 miles. And I decided I was going to start pulling parts off the bike. We're actually getting it painted right now, kind of mixing a lot of stuff up on it. And I wanted to kind of report back to you guys with a 10,000 mile review of this seat. The Saddlemen Step-up for new Softails, Milwaukee 8 Softails. When it came out, a lot of people were kind of freaking out because the back was so high and the angle of the seat's kind of weird, even stock. But I was one of the first to get these, and I've had nothing but great luck with this seat. I've put countless miles across country on this bike, you know, riding it pretty hard in Tennessee for our Tennessee tour. And this seat, as you can see, still looks almost brand new. You know, it's got our logo on there, got a little boosted Brad 666 action on there. But I mean, you can tell, like, we put a ton of miles on it, but every stitch and every piece of this seat has still, you know, been great. That really says a lot for Saddlemen. You know, they're made in America in Compton, California, CA, as NWA says. But I can't say enough. You know, I really like the construction. You know, every stitch is straight as an arrow. They're really inventive with colors and patterns and everything else now. Like, this is my favorite seat for this bike, this Softail I have now. And I've used a lot of other seats, and there's some other good ones in the marketplace, but I think all in all, man, it's hard to beat the Saddlemen.